My food where you dey eat. My water where you dey drink. Even sometimes you go sleep for my house. So now you dey carry my I no blame you.
Mo. Messi. You know born Messi where?
So na idiot. Pass the ball.
Man, pass this ball now. Wetin dey worry you?
Even Messi said no sabi no. Because I should.
Messi dey nod now. Wetin dey talk?
Sassy. Mama, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
What is it I'm hearing?
Hearing what?
Tobe and Ebuka. Tobe Chukwu, what am I hearing?
I don't know what to
So has it gotten to this? I have turned to a laughing stock out there. Everything that happens in this house, everybody now knows it.
Ha.
How is that possible?
I eat, I did not eat though.
It's not.
More than 5 Mama Nkechi, Mama Ebuk, everybody was just calling me today to ask me one question or the other.
Ha.
I couldn't even go where I'm going again. Come. Who among you went outside to tell them that I have a problem that we cannot pay house rent? We don't eat well.
We not tell anybody. We not tell anybody.
Who among you tell people
anybody.
out there? Because I'm very angry with all of you. I am very, very angry now. Can you imagine? As I was passing, Mama Ebuka called me. Na true to say I hear say una no fit chop, una no fit pay una house rent. This one. Since your husband die, you know they eat well. No, they eat well. No, just they sleep for here. No, go house rent. Like I don't know. Who among you, apart from both of you, in this house with me? Who again is in this house? So how come did they know that we don't eat well?
Mama, boy, you don't tell anybody.
I don't tell anybody. So how did they know?
I don't even understand.
Oh, so after everything I've been doing in this house to make sure you are okay, so bringing my matter and everything that happens, I cannot pay for house rent. I don't give you for 3 square meter back. You took it outside to tell people back. No problem. For 1 week, for 1 good week, no food for both of you. And every day you must sweep, wash, clean this house.
But we not there anybody.
Don't even provoke me. Don't provoke me.
But if you know it, we now have strength to do work now.
What you
Wait now.
Right.
okay, that is true. But okay.
You know that Brett is our best friend.
Bright, I don't talk back.
You can't do that. You understand?
No, I'm not sure. It's not bright.
Abi.
It's only bright.
Bright.
Not anybody. It's only bright.
Abi, the woman.
It's only bright to that.
My girl father, how na dey
Now
now?
see, that's what we want. No, just flow us talking.
Wetin happen now? When
You
our
don't
face
sit
come
down,
like
spread our
this?
matter for street.
Una
You
ma-
no good now. I
Una
know say na
matter.
only you dey there.
Una matter.
All those things tell you, you don't tell me, you don't tell anybody.
I no tell anybody.
How come say the thing come spread out?
Who I wan tell now?
But na only you be there now.
Okay, not only we
Why
test
they
us-
lie?
I no tell anybody
If they
now.
lie, they lie with sense. You understand?
I remember. Na only this girl na wey her mama dey sell orange, Cynthia. Na only the girl na I tell na.
How you go detail Cynthia?
No
You
na.
say that girl na mouth viper.
But I see your brain na box.
I gats cover up for na as we dey. She dey come, she talk say she wan come beg for food, like she wan come collect food for
Then you
na house.
can't go explain our house matter for her.
No na, I just tell am say una no get like una no too guide like this, everything hard somehow, una no fit pay house. Sorry. Una no fit, you understand na, I just cover up for na that place abeg.
No, I think say she go, I think say she go digest.
Say you know woman. Say you know woman.
Oh God.
I no tell her anything, na wetin I just tell am be that. Na wetin I tell am be that.
Why you go detain her that guy?
No, I don't know.
Escort ID here.
Just wanted to come and
Wetin
tell
dey
guys
do for
sorry
here?
now.
Wetin dey do for here?
I thought you told me that he's having problems issues
Okay, now
with
you.
everything.
Okay, now this girl.
Na the girl wey I tell na.
Ah,
Oh,
It's
Cynthia.
happen.
Who you
me.
Now see me Cynthia.
I thought you said they're having rent issue.
Jesus.
Okay, like this now, I still get rent. Like, what you come for?
What
I came to tell you guys sorry na mistake. Calm down, make una calm down now. Make I tell una wetin he talk. He talk say na no dey chop again. He talk say na mama, na grandma don die now. He talk say na no dey chop like that again. Na house rent don expire. So now I go tell una make una sorry. Why they do like that now? Na something wey even talk say I don forget. Even talk say na him dey feed una. Jesus,
Wait,
like why they do like this?
like,
Wetin happen?
bright.
Ah.
See, like, now you dey feed us. Which money will you get?
Talk
You
now.
feed us?
I not to.
No be wetin you tell me. Say na you dey feed am.
Me and you meet yesterday.
Me and ghost. Which kind nonsense talk be that one now? Na him tell me na.
So you have been the one all along.
Madam, well done o.
No, ma, I'm not the one.
So now you dey carry my name and.
Ma,
was there.
Ayin na.
Shut up.
Right. Comot for there.
ma, it's not me. I came here to eat.
Right.
You still have the mouth.
It is
You
true.
want to eat? No, sit down.
After everything I've been doing for you, my food where you dey eat, my water where you dey drink, even sometimes you go sleep for my house.
I'm sorry.
So now you dey carry my I no blame you. No be your fault. Now my children will carry everything wey dey happen for my whole house go dey tell you now. Now dem I blame. No be your fault. Before I close my eye and open it again, I want you to get out of this house now.
Kabolo ye jo.
Get out of this house.
Nonsense. Rubbish. See this rubbish for you.
What nonsense?
See this rubbish o.
And you? Who are you?
Madam. I just make I tell you.
Get out.
Madam, no.
I say get out! Get out! Get out of my house! God, these children will not kill me.
Thank you, Mama. I'm dead. Pushing.
People will not kill me.
Next time if I see him in this house again, I will kill him. You know what I did?
Man no longer man. Hey! See the way you have been disgracing me.
It's not my fault. We thought we trusted him.
You know that is our best friend.
So I have been borrowing money, doing so many nonsense out there just to feed both of you since your father died. Just to still maintain this life we've been living before. Okay, no problem. You see, from today onwards, you will go and look for work. Every month you must bring good money. You will bring 20,000 naira to this house every month. You will bring 20,000 naira to this house every month. Failure to do that. Na me and Una for this house.
Like an appointment.
I said, na me and Una. And you see that 1 week, you will keep sweeping the house. You will keep mopping the house. You will even be the one to cook. Since I've been fit.
It's not us at all.
Shut up, man. Oh yeah, use the room, no. Inside.
I want to
No, by inside. Oh God.